guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do just click the subscribe button down below. Today, earlier, we're still in quarantine, self-quarantine, and oh my goodness, I am bored. I have just been cooking and cleaning, cleaning and cooking, cooking and cleaning, cleaning and cooking. So today, obviously, I can't go nowhere to do any videos, so I'll be doing a recipe video for you guys today, and today is my famous curry corn recipe. Right, so just continue watching the video. You'll see how I made everything, all my little secret ingredients. So yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay, so for the best curry corn you ever taste in your life, you'll need 3 corn, a half a pack of coconut milk, you'll need some fresh seasoning, and this is just pimentos, shadabeni. I have a little bit of celery and garlic, no onions. You need curry powder, saffron powder, and Geera powder. This is the ground one. If you don't have the ground one, use the whole one and just toast it and mash it to get it ground like this. And I usually use a pack of either crab flavored or pigtail flavored. But if you don't like none of those, you can use chicken flavored. But this here is what does really give it that oh my goodness taste. Alright, so first what you want to do is cut up these corn in some chunks. These are the chunks that I am using. You can do it half this size here, and the cook time would be lesser, but I like it chunky like this here. And in the next bowl, what you want to do is put a tablespoon of curry, a half a tablespoon of saffron, and a 3/4 tablespoon of Geera. You want to mix it together, add like about 2 tablespoons of water, and make it into a paste. So this is my paste here. Make sure half a pack of coconut milk powder, and this is just to dissolve the powder so that we can add it into the pot. Put your pan on the fire, turn on your fire on medium, and you're adding about 3 tablespoons, just enough of oil to fry the curry and the fresh seasoning. Okay, so you wait for the oil to heat up, and then you add in about a teaspoon of fresh seasoning. Oops, my oil was not hot, so let me just pull this to the side so it will not soak up. Okay, it's hot. My bad, y'all. Wait for the oil to hot up, don't rush it. This recipe that I'm giving you is the perfect curry corn recipe. So you're just going to let this fry up, and then we're going to add the curry paste in and let that fry as well. Okay, so my seasoning has been frying for less than a minute. I'm just going to add in the curry paste and let that fry with it. This is just to melt the powder, because when you don't fry the curry powder, it tends to have a grainy texture when you finish cooking. So we're going to fry up this here. Give it a nice fry. Let it fry like about just until it gets dark in color. See, it's already starting to get dark. Keep stirring it for about a minute, and then the next thing you want to get now is your coconut milk. Let me just fry this up a little more. Get your coconut milk and you add it to this curry powder. It's getting nice and dark, but some parts of it are still light brown, so I am toasting it. And don't worry with the blackness here. When you put the coconut milk and you add your water, the color will lighten. You will see the real color, the curry color, that burnt yellow. So don't worry that this is dark. Alright. Right, I think this is it. Right, lovely. So let's add in our coconut milk. Okay, I started adding before I pressed the record button. But yeah, add your coconut milk and stir it. Get out all the clumps of the curry. And then we're going to add all the flavorings that we could add before we put in the corn. If you want to add more seasoning, you can right now. Okay, so I am adding about this much sugar. A little more. And I'm going to add half a pack of the crab flavor the pot. With this here, you may not have to add salt, but you can if it's not flavorful enough for you, or you can add the entire pack of flavor the pot. Adding just a pinch of salt to this here. I tasted it already, that's why I decided to add the salt. And all here, this tasting real good. So now I am going to add the corn and the hot water. I'm bringing it up to like about 7 cups of water just to submerge the corn in. And what I recommend, guys, is when you're adding water to any food that you're cooking, make sure that the water is hot so that you wouldn't reverse the process of having to reheat the food and then continue cooking it. So make sure your water is hot so that when you pour it in, it just continues from there instead of having to, you know, reheat the liquid. Okay, so you're adding all the corn, and then you're adding your hot water, just enough to cover. Okay, looks like it didn't need, I didn't need 7, I used 6 cups, so just enough to cover all the corn. What you want to do is find the narrowest part of the corn and put it like that. So see like how it have space here, this one really like this, just turn it flat so that way it can be under the liquid. Right, nice. What you want to do is put your fire on low and let this cook slowly so that everything can marinate inside. And oh my goodness, Ollie, just try the recipe. Let me know in the comment section down below. It's not hard to do at all. It is very simple and it's cheap. And okay, so you're putting your fire on medium low and you're covering it. What you want to do, you want to let this boil down for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the type of corn that you have. This is the sweet corn. This is not the local tasteless corn. This is I think it's the Canadian sweet corn, but not the ones in the grocery, the ones that you get in the market, the fresh ones. Right, so what you want to do is leave this down for 15 to 20 minutes and you're looking for a thick saucy kind of paste. So once you check it like around 10-12 minutes, if you see that it still has a lot of water inside, just lift the cover and let it boil without the cover. Okay guys, so this has been boiling for about 3 minutes or so, and I just added a teaspoon of salt. It might sound a lot, but because it's so much water, remember the flavor is in the sauce, in the liquid here. So once this tastes good, For sure your corn will be, oh my goodness. What I would advise though is don't put too much salt, just put enough for it to just taste the salt just a little bit, because once this boils down, the salt flavor will enhance a little bit more. Okay, so my corn has been boiling for about 10 minutes now. The water has gone down to 4 cups. I'm just going to take out one, test it to see an average how long again it has. And I'm just going to flip all of these. You see how they have the seasoning on top? That's because the water boiled down and whatever was on top of the water just rests on the corn. So you're just going to flip it over like so. Flip all of them and remove the cover and let it boil down the rest of the way. Once the corn seems to be almost there, so let's go check out to see if it's ready. Almost ready. Just a bit. Okay, so what you want to do to check to see if it's good, you just take one of the corn and pull off, try to pull off one. It's really hard to come off, so this isn't finished as yet. I'll leave this in for like about 8 to 10 minutes again, so in total it will be 20 minutes for me. So okay guys, so it took me about 23 minutes to cook this corn. You see it's boiled down really nicely. The sauce, let me see if I can get some of that sauce here. Thick and nice. Oh my goodness, if all you taste this here, oh my goodness. But yeah, this is it here. It's done. You can serve it as cutters, just eat it as finger food in the evening. Yeah, nothing to do, you're looking for something to eat. It's just a put in the pot, cover down, 20 minutes, light boil, and you're good to go. No such hard work, nothing. And that is it guys. That is my curry corn recipe. I mean, Olia, let me see, gotcha. Oh my goodness. This is so juicy. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, this sauce, this real best sauce. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Why are they making this? Please make more than 3 corn, because you alone go eat 3 corn. Trust me. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Favorite part is not eating off the kernel of the corn. What do you call it? It's actually sucking the cum. Oh my god. Hey guys, so that was my curry corn recipe. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And see the way how you make the curry, it doesn't really stain your hands as much. So yeah, I love it. I love it. My teeth is still white. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did try it, let me know in the comment section down below how it came out for you. I know it came out boss, but let me know level 50 or 100 or 5,000. Let me know in the comment section down below. I know it tastes real good, but let me know the level. And see you in my next video. Bye.